Hey all, and welcome. So as you can see from my overgrown roots, I have been waiting or procrastinating on doing my hair for far too long. And today's video, I've decided I would try and see how well a hair bleach bath will work for lightening up the new growth some and also removing some of the color from the rest of the hair. So what do I plan to do after is going to kind of depend on how much it lightens up or not, and hopefully at least removes the colors from the parts that the color's on. Some of you may be wondering, what the heck is a bleach bath? Well, it's a milder technique used to lighten hair, and it does differ somewhat from the regular bleaching process. In a bleach bath, shampoo is added to the bleach powder developer mixture and applied to, or usually applied to, wet hair, though I won't be having water wet hair really. But I'll get into that later or in a few minutes. I'm just first gonna go grab the supplies and change my shirt too, so I don't want to get it all messy. Okay, now that that's done, moving on in my sexy trendsetter t-shirt. Okay, so usually I apply coconut oil prior to bleaching, which I am still doing, but this time I'm going to lightly mist my hair with water and apply a mix of coconut and babasu, I can never say it, babasu, that's it, oil, and let it work in for about 30 minutes. This is what I meant when I said I wasn't going to have wet or water wet hair. Instead, it's gonna be like oil wet or soaked or whatever you want to call it.
Take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you.
Okay, now it's been a little over 30 minutes, so it's time to mix up the bleach bath, which, let me show you which products I'm using. First is the L'Oreal Quick Blue powder with the L'Oreal 30 volume developer, which I'm going to be using a ratio of like 1 scoop of powder and 2 ounces developer. I'm also going to be adding in a color filler or additive or corrector, you want to call it, to prevent any brassy orange tones, or at least that's what it's supposed to do, so we'll see. But I'm going to be adding about 15 to 20 drops, and my usual shampoo, which is a moisturizing shampoo, and with coconut, of course. But I have heard of people using purple shampoo too, so that's all up to you and your preference. Oh, and I also forgot, I am going to be putting most of it, or pretty much all of it, into a bottle to apply it, because from my understanding, adding the shampoo makes it like a little more runny and less of a thick consistency. So I guess we'll see when we finish, but that's my plan so far, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, and I'm gonna add the drops in now. I'm just gonna go 15. Okay, and I'm gonna mix that up first. Now I still need to add the shampoo. So if you're wondering what this spoon was that I had, it's actually what I'm gonna use to measure out the shampoo. I'm gonna do 2 of these. And also, just in case, I don't think I'll need more, but I did just make up like 1 extra, not serving obviously, but 1 like with an extra scoop and some developer, so that it's ready right away, so it doesn't take too long to mix it if I do need more.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't get what I
looks like it might also be dependent on the shampoo. Like this stuff stayed pretty darn thick, so I think we maybe just be using the good old brush. Okay, so as you can see, I just started kind of the root area just now. Okay, well, maybe I'm going platinum. So I guess we'll see, but it's getting pretty darn light. I did have to add more developer to the first one, and I did also have to make up another batch, or the other one that I had set aside, and I did make that with the 2.5 developer and a little less shampoo, not much less. So and that's about how much of the difference that I put in of the developer in the first one, raising it to about 2.5 for each scoop. So, okay, this is getting close, so I'm gonna go rinse out and then we'll see how it looks after. Okay, well, not too bad. Yes, there's some brassiness, slight, but as it's drying, it seems like it's lightening up, going away, so not so noticeable. So, but for now, I'm going to like dampen my hair again because I guess it has to be wet, but I'm gonna be trying or using this. So it's got like the blue direct dyes. It's just a treatment. It's like not there's shampoo or conditioner, but it's like a weekly treatment that's similar to it. So I'm gonna see if that helps get some of the brassiness out, and if there's still, you know, a little more yellow than orange, then I'll probably just make a little conditioner with a little bit of purple in it for that. And okay, let's see how this looks, and that will probably be it unless I'm having trouble, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm just showing you what it looks like before I rinse it out, because they say to only keep it in for about 5 to 8 minutes or so, and it's been just about that. It took me a little while to like massage it in, but I don't want it purple. Actually, it's not a bad color, but not today. So anyways, that's what it looks like, and let's see what it looks like after it's rinsed out. Okay, well, here's the end result. Not too bad, considering the stuff is you don't use the developer with it, so it's very gentle. It actually felt really soft right after, you know, I got out of the shower and it was dry and everything. It still felt really soft, which I was pleased and happy about. I don't know if it was just this stuff or kind of a mix of some other things. I think a mix. So anyways, so it just got a little bit of, you know, the brassy. I could have left it in a little longer, you know, but it was the first time using it, so next time I have a little bit left. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed that and found it useful and informational. Yeah. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, let me know if you have done any kind of a bleach bath, the technique you used, or any other kind of mild hair lightening technique as well. So again, thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. That would just make my day. And I will see you next video. All right, bye.
I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me, won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try.